Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my friends. How are you all? How's your online classes going? I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Beria Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our lecture number 8 of Show and Tell. I hope you will enjoy it. Before starting our lecture, our day, what you need to read? 1000 Tasmiyah. So raise your hand for 1000 Tasmiyah. Then we will read Dua for learning, and that is Rabbi Sidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. Look at your screen. What you need for today's lecture? The first one is student book, activity book, one pencil and eraser, and your color box. Make sure you have all these things around you. Before starting our today's lecture, let's have a review of your home task, and that was on your activity book, page number 11. So everyone, open your activity book, page number 11. There is written, read with me. Read with me. Read and match, draw quickly. Which picture was missing here? You had to draw here. What you had to do on this page? Read and match. First you read all the sentences. Then look at the picture carefully. And you had to match with the correct picture. Then you need to find which picture was missing here. You had to draw in a empty box. And if you want to color, then you can color it too. The next one, it was on your student book, page number 12. It was about reading Fifi School, and I'm sure you enjoyed it a lot. Fifi School, while reading, you had to read this page, you had to read this story. What is happening in picture number 1? Who can tell me? Oh yes, I know you know very well. Students are coming. And who were the students in picture number 1? Benny and Prickly. And the Fifi was teacher here. And they are coming inside the classroom. In picture number 2, they are opening their books. They are opening their bags. They are sitting on their chair. And Benny is going to sleep. In picture number 3, he is sleeping and teacher is asking something. And the Prickly is replying. Then picture number 4. They're going to have fun. In picture number 5, you can see they are dancing, they are having fun. And in the last picture, they are telling this is a cool school, and they enjoyed it a lot. They liked this school. And Fifi is writing, she's changing the signboard, and she's writing Fifi's dance school. You can see in picture number 1 again, there is written Fifi's school, and in the last picture, she's writing Fifi's dance school. And I told you, I asked you, you have to find the signboards, your street board, what is written on there, try to read them. And whenever you are going with your parents or even you are in a public place, find out the signboards, billboards, and try to read them, what is written on there. Come on. Now open your student book and page number 14. One more interesting page we will do today. You can see on your books, page number 14, 14. Everyone open it on student book. What are the objectives of today's lecture, today's lesson? The first one is practice words with the ch sound, TCH sound. The sound is ch and the spellings are TCH. I told you in my previous lectures, CH and TCH, they are making one sound, but there is a difference of spellings, CH and TCH. So we will have a review of ch sound and we will try to make words with the ch sound. You will find out on this page. Then second is review consonant blends, as we have done on page number 7 on student book. Page number 7 on student book, we have done consonant blends. You can see. So we will have a review of consonant blends in today's lecture. Get ready for today's lecture. Everyone hold your pencil. And page number 14, once again I'm telling you, open page number 14 on student book, open it. To warm up yourself, you need to listen the song 1.15. In my previous lecture I played for you. Then the next one, listen and follow. They are saying listen and repeat. First you will listen the song, then we will do this page.
One 17. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
1. Stand up. 2. And stretch. 3. Stamp your feet. 4. Cross your legs. 5. Clap your hands. 6. And catch. Oh, Benny.
As you have listened the song, hopefully you enjoyed it a lot. Now look at your screen, they're saying read and number. Number 2 is read and number. So be careful. Everyone hold your pencil now. Which one page we are doing? Page number 14 on student book. So make sure you have opened your page number 14 like me. You can see on your screen again. Page number 14 is there. And they're saying say it with me. As you know very well, before doing anything what we do, you need to write your date. And what is the date today? You can see on your screen again, 18th June, 2020, space, then age.t, again space, and what is the day today? Thursday, THURSDAY, day, Thursday. T is capital here. And how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. You know very well. So where you will write this date? Arrow is telling you. Top of the page you will write your date in a proper form. Please don't forget to put space in a date. Be careful while writing. Now you can see here there is a speech bubble. What is written in speech bubble? Fifi is here, she is dancing, she is telling about the action of the dance. So look at number 1. She sings stand up. Now find out in which picture they are standing up. In picture number 1, in picture number 2, in picture number 3, picture number 4, picture number 5 and picture number 6. There are 6 pictures. You have to give the numbers correctly. So in picture number 2 they are standing up. So they wrote here number 1. One example is done for you. The second is they are saying, she's saying and stretch. Now where they are stretching their arms? In picture number 1. Yes, in picture number 1. So you will write here number 2. Which number? You will write here number 2. Then 3. Stamp your feet. In which picture? 1 is done, 2 is done. In 3 picture they are catching. In 4 they are crossing their legs. In 5 they are clapping. And in the last picture, picture number 6, they are stamping their feet. So write number 3 here in this box. You will write number 3. Then number 4, cross your legs. Find out in which picture they are crossing their legs. 1, 2 is done. 3 is left. And picture number 4, oh yes, they are crossing their legs. So you will write here number 4. And in picture number 5, clap your hands. Number 5 step is clap your hands. So find out. 1 is done, 2 is done, 3 is left. Are they clapping here? No. In 4 is done and number 5 picture. Yes, they are clapping here. So write number 5 in picture number 5. And the last one, 6 and catch. In number 3 picture, just this picture is left. So write here number 6. Which one number? Number 6. So you have done. Listen and follow, listen and repeat as you have listened the song, and now they are saying read and number. You have done this as well. Number 3 is listen again and act out. Now I am going to play a song once again. So you will listen and act out. I have an activity here for you as well. Before doing that activity, make sure you did this page correctly. Listen again and follow your pictures. Did you write it correctly or not? The next is, what is this? TCH, consonant blends review. Did you notice? Did you see? Here some consonant blends. Look at ST, st, stand up, and st, again st here, stretch, stamp your feet, again st. The first 2 letters, these are consonants. You can see these are not vowels, these are consonants, and they are making one sound st, and we call them consonant blends. With consonant blends, you can see there are 3 more letters, st, and stand. You are making words with consonant blends. And then cur, or cross your legs. The next one is clap. This is also consonant blend. Clap your hands. And catch and catch. TCH is also coming in these words and consonant blends as well. So consonant blends review, and then there is a vocabulary for you. Stand up, stretch, stamp your feet, cross your legs, clap your hands, catch. I always say try to read these words as well. Whenever you open this book, try to read them. It will help you in reading. So what is an activity for you? You need to play a recording again, and then You can make two groups with your siblings, or you can be a Fifi, you can be a teacher, or somebody else can be a Fifi. So you will make two groups, and Fifi sing the instructions while the other children, while your sibling do the actions. Like she is telling them, do this action, do this action. So like Fifi, you will play this game with your siblings, or your siblings can play with you. It's up to you, and I hope you will enjoy it a lot. Now listen the song once again and look at your book, look at your page, you did it correctly or not.
One 17. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
1. Stand up. 2. And stretch. 3. Stamp your feet. 4. Cross your legs. 5. Clap your hands. 6. And catch. Oh, Benny.
Song once again and you tally your page. You did it correctly, I'm sure. Now here is a home task for you. Page number 12 on activity book. They are saying home task, activity book, page number 12. So everyone open page number 12, 1 to 12. Which one page? Page number 12. Here you will write your date on top of the page. There is also telling you, write the same date, 18th May. Sorry, I forgot. It's 18th June. What is the number of June, by the way? June 6, yes. Let's repeat it again. January 1, February 2, March 3. Everyone open your fingers as well. April 4, May 5 and June 6. What is the number of June? June 6. So you will write your date, 18th June, 2020, space, age.t, again space, and write your day here, Thursday. T should be capital, and don't forget the rule of writing of date. Write in a proper form, give a space as well. Now look at the page, they are saying say it with me. Number 1, left side of the page, match and trace. The one example is done for you. You can see what is written here. Let's have an idea through a picture. What he is doing in a picture? He is stretching his arms. So, is there written any word related to him? St is a consonant blends. Again, stretch. Stretch. Yes. Oh yes, he's stretching his arm. So they matched this boy with the word stretch. The one is done for you. Now look at the second picture. This is about, is it sitting room? Or is it drawing room, or is your room? No. Oh yes, there is a stove, there is a cooking range, there is a window, there is a shelf, and I think so it is a kitchen. Oh yes, now find out the word kitchen. The one is done for you. Two words are left. The first one is catch. No, it's not the spelling. These are not the spellings of kitchen. Find out the next, the last one. Kitchen. Kitchen. Oh yes. So you will match this picture, picture number 2, with the last word, kitchen. And the last one picture, the girl is catching a ball. So the first one word is left. What is written there? K-A-T, cat. So you will match the first word with the last picture with the girl. After matching, you will praise the words. All these three words, catch, stretch and kitchen. You will trace them. Then you will come on the right side of the page. Number 2, what is written there? Complete the words. So here is a consonant blends again. K, st, kr. Now look at the picture number 1. What she is doing and what the boy is doing in picture number 2 and what the girl is doing. In picture number 1, the girl is stamping her feet. So find out st. Should we write here cl? If I write here cl, clamp, no, the word is stamp. So find out the consonant blend with S sound. St. You will write here S and then T. St, p, stamp. Then the boy is doing crossing his legs. So find out k or kr. Yes, I think in CR there is a sound of kr. K, C, R. Kr or cross, cross. Then the last one is what the girl is doing? Clapping. The girl is clapping. So you will write here the first one consonant blend. K, A, P, clap. You will write here C, L. K, A, clap, P, clap. You can make more words with these 3 consonant blends on a loose sheet. Today's lecture, I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Don't forget to read the Fifi School again and do your home task on page number 12 on activity book. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, keep smiling. See you in our next week, inshallah. Have a nice weekend. Allah Hafiz.